Rocco, put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Yay, go find another egg. Gina, show them where the eggs are.
Rocco, what's that?
You gotta show them, you gotta go over there.
That?
Rocco, look.
What's that?
What's that? What's right here?
Rocco! Alright, I'll find
That's okay, I'm videotaping.
What the hell?
Gina, he's following you around.
Aww.
Go get Gina, Rocco.
It's just like shaking it.
Put it in the basket. Yay! Go find an egg. Gina, take them over where the eggs are and show them. They're like,
Rocco, what's that?
Rocco, look. Rocco, Rocco. What's this?
What's that?
What's that? Go put it in the basket. Go put it in the basket. He found an egg. Rocco found an egg.
Let's rock out this one. I found it right here.
Oh, wow. What happened to that Easter bunny? What happened to that
I
Easter
think he
bunny?
turns.
Gina.
He said he was on the bus.
Go put it in the basket, Rock. Go put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket. I think the basket's getting
Did you ever do
full.
the
See when you missed. Huh?
Did you ever do the money eggs?
I used to.
My
Oh, this one's full.
Okay, take him over by the rocking chair. Let him find the one on the rocking chair. By the rocking chair. The baby's rocking chair.
Oh, Rocco, what's that? What's this? Is that egg? Is that egg? Here, go put it in the basket.
Yay! Clap your hands, Rocco. Yay! Yeah, stop your feet. Yeah?
Oh, I see one in my
No rock.
It's all right, Gina. He can, just let him play
The
with it.
basket's getting way too full.
Yay! Clap your hands.
Rocco,
Yay!
what's this? Rocco, what's this?
Look,
Rocco, what's
Rock.
this? What's
Rock. Look. Pretty. It's an egg. Go get the egg. Yeah, go get it. Can you get it? Yay! Go put it in the basket. Go put it in the basket. Go put it in the basket. Yay! He did it. Oh, he took the other one out. Yay! Clap your hands.
Rocco, what's this?
Yay.
What's that?
Go get another one.
Rocco, what's this? Is that egg? No, that one's here. Get that one. Yay!
Yay! Go put it in the basket. Yay! Go put it in the basket, Rock.
Oh, I found it here. One under the rabbit.
I see two more.
Oh, Rocco, you're so good at this. You'll be good at.
Compulsive. Gotta be in there just right.
Uh-oh, you dropped eggs all over the ground. Rocco, let's go find another egg.
Oh, I see three more. Gina, I see one that Rocco's not going to see. And look up on the wall.
That's right. I found it.
Oh.
I think we need a bigger basket.
Rocco, he's not going to eat them. Don't worry. He just wants to shake them. Okay, Gina?
Up on the wall, Gina. Up on the wall. Behind the sofa. Behind the sofa. Oh.
Rocco, come here.
Huh?
Rocco, look. Rocco, look. Over here, baby. Over here, baby. Look. Rocco. Rocco. Rocco.
Yay! Do the chicken dance.
Rocco.
One more left.
Look.
What's that?
What's that?
One more.
What's this? What is that? Go put it in the basket.
Go put it in
Go put it in the basket. Oh, get that one, Rocco. Look. Get that one. Thank you. Come on. Go put it in the basket.
He likes to rattle and
Yeah. I can just...
oh, bless you.
God bless you.
Basket. Put it in the basket.
Yay!
You want me to get you another basket, Gina?
Yeah.
You can just take some out and put them in your basket, Gina. Let him carry that one around. He likes that one.
I found an egg over here.
Uh-oh. Gina, go take